waking up each day with a renewed sense of purpose and enthusiasm, ready to tackle your goals with unwavering determination. A life where stress and burnout are distant memories, replaced by a deep sense of well-being and contentment. This is the effect of self-care. In a world where we are constantly juggling responsibilities, demands, and aspirations, taking care of ourselves might seem like a luxury. However, it is not just a luxury, but a necessity that significantly affects our overall quality of life, including our levels of motivation. Welcome, my friends, to a place where motivation meets mindfulness, where we embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. In a world bustling with the chaos of daily life, finding that perfect balance between achieving our goals and nurturing our inner selves can be quite a challenge. But fear not, because here at the Mindful Motivation Station, we have crafted a haven where you can learn to cultivate motivation from a place of mindfulness. To understand the intricate relationship between self-care and motivation, we must first recognize their interconnected nature. Self-care encompasses a variety of intentional actions that prioritize our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. These actions range from simple daily practices to more structured efforts, all aimed at ensuring our overall wellness. Neglecting self-care sets off a chain reaction that deeply affects our well-being. Our energy reserves deplete as stress accumulates, creating a burden that can lead to burnout. This state of emotional exhaustion, combined with cynicism and reduced efficacy, poses a significant threat when self-care is sidelined. The consequences extend beyond physical and emotional exhaustion. They reach into the realm of motivation. Our motivation, the driving force behind our aspirations, is closely tied to our well-being. Neglecting self-care disrupts the balance between energy, stress, and motivation. The result is a decrease in enthusiasm, making the pursuit of our goals more challenging. Dedication to our endeavors dwindles, hindering progress and limiting our potential. Today, marked by incessant demands and distractions, the pursuit of moments of tranquility emerges as a potent strategy for sustaining motivation and overall well-being. A particularly effective method is the integration of mindful moments into our daily routine. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation and deep breathing, serve as gateways to a more composed and centered state of mind. By allocating a few minutes each day to these practices, we unlock a cascade of benefits that contribute to heightened motivation and improved productivity. At its essence, mindfulness involves nurturing a non-judgmental awareness of the present moment. By intentionally directing our focus to our breath, bodily sensations, or immediate surroundings, we establish a mental space free from the encumbrances of past regrets and future anxieties. This elevated awareness enables us to skillfully manage stress by creating a sense of detachment from the pressures that often overwhelm us. Stress reduction stands as a foundational pillar in maintaining motivation. Elevated stress levels strain our cognitive resources, undermining our ability to fully engage in tasks, countering the physiological impact of stress. Consequently, cortisol, the stress hormone, decreases, while the release of endorphins, natural mood enhancers, increases. Moreover, regular mindfulness practice hones our self-awareness. By turning our attention inward, we foster a deeper comprehension of our thoughts, emotions, and behavioral patterns. This self-awareness empowers us to discern potential triggers that might impede our motivation and make proactive adaptations. Identifying negative thought patterns or self-doubt, for instance, facilitates reframing these patterns, nurturing a more positive mindset. Emotional regulation, a pivotal determinant of motivation, also benefits significantly from mindfulness. As we become attuned to our emotions, mindfulness equips us to respond instead of impulsively reacting. This skill proves invaluable when confronted with setbacks or challenges. Rather than succumbing to frustration or demotivation, mindfulness techniques enable us to acknowledge our emotions, create distance from them, and opt for a constructive course of action. A key component of effective self-care with a profound impact on motivation is the practice of setting boundaries. In our interconnected and demanding world, the skill of creating and maintaining healthy boundaries is vital for well-being and sustained motivation. Learning to say no when necessary is a fundamental aspect of boundary setting. By declining commitments that don't contribute to our growth or well-being, we create room for tasks that align with our passions and priorities. Boundaries extend beyond personal interactions and encompass both personal and professional aspects. In our personal lives, limiting work-related tasks outside regular hours prevents burnout and ensures time for rejuvenating activities. Professionally, Clear communication of our limits fosters a work environment that respects individual well-being. Boundary setting not only prevents overextension, but also cultivates control over our time and energy. By establishing boundaries, we regain the ability to manage commitments, enhancing engagement in chosen tasks and boosting motivation. Physical well-being is a cornerstone of effective self-care, encompassing both regular exercise and a balanced diet. Engaging in consistent physical activity triggers the release of endorphins, commonly known as feel-good hormones, which significantly enhance mood and motivation. Exercise, whether through walks, workouts, or yoga, prompts the body to release these endorphins, reducing stress and creating a sense of euphoria. Equally vital is nourishing our bodies with nutrient-rich foods. A well-balanced diet, abundant in essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, not only supports physical well-being, but also directly influences energy levels. Nutritious meals serve as a fuel powering our body's functions throughout the day. Prioritizing wholesome foods that meet our nutritional needs ensures a sustained release of energy, promoting alertness, focus, and vigor, all of which are essential for maintaining motivation. The link between physical well-being and self-care is undeniable. Regular exercise not only contributes to fitness, but also positively impacts mental and emotional states. Similarly, a balanced diet establishes the foundation for vitality, supplying the energy and stamina required to pursue goals with enthusiasm. Integrating these practices into our self-care regimen fosters a harmonious synergy between physical health and motivation, ultimately cultivating a more fulfilling and vibrant life. In our busy lives, it's crucial to make time for activities that genuinely bring joy and fulfillment. Engaging in hobbies goes beyond leisure. It rejuvenates our spirits, sparks creativity, and reignites motivation. Immersing ourselves in activities we love creates a mental shift, allowing our minds to reset and unwind. This mental escape is essential to prevent burnout and provide a break from routine pressures. Hobbies create a buffer zone, lowering stress and giving us space to recharge. Hobbies also stimulate creativity. Whether painting, playing an instrument, gardening, or crafting, they encourage thinking outside the box. Creative engagement, no matter how small, brings a sense of accomplishment. This triggers dopamine release, a neurotransmitter tied to pleasure and reward. This positive loop boosts motivation for other tasks. For instance, consider someone who finds solace in playing an instrument. Mastering a challenging piece creates pride and satisfaction, impacting their attitude towards responsibilities. This motivation might push them to excel in their work or pursue neglected goals. Hobbies and passions aren't mere distractions. They are powerful tools for well-being and motivation. Activities that spark joy offer a mental sanctuary, renewing our energy to face challenges. The creative stimulation and sense of accomplishment amplify motivation across life. Prioritizing hobbies leads to a more fulfilled and motivated life. A key pillar of effective self-care is prioritizing quality rest and sleep. Sleep, often undervalued in our busy lives, is a fundamental component of maintaining overall well-being and sustaining motivation. It forms the bedrock on which cognitive function, emotional equilibrium, and physical vitality are built. Sleep significantly supports cognitive function by consolidating and organizing information gathered during the day. This process enhances memory retention, creative thinking, and problem solving. Insufficient and disrupted sleep can compromise these cognitive functions, leading to decreased focus, clarity, and decision-making abilities. Consequently, motivation to tackle complex tasks and challenges may wane, affecting overall performance. Emotional well-being is closely connected to sleep quality. Adequate sleep contributes to emotional resilience and stability, regulating mood by processing emotions and reducing mood swings, irritability, and heightened stress. Well-rested individuals are better equipped to handle tough situations, setbacks, and interactions with composure. This emotional balance is vital for maintaining motivation and fostering a positive and proactive approach to goals. Moreover, a well-rested mind and body are prepared to confront challenges with determination. Sleep plays a significant role in physical recovery by restoring tissues, regulating hormones, and bolstering the immune system. Prioritizing sufficient sleep equips the body to endure physical demands and recover from stress, enhancing physical resilience and motivation to pursue endeavors. Practicing self-care is not an indulgence. It's an investment in our overall well-being and motivation. By prioritizing self-care through strategies like mindfulness, setting boundaries, taking care of our physical health, nurturing hobbies, and ensuring quality sleep, we can replenish our energy, manage stress, and enhance our enthusiasm for life's pursuits. Thank you for joining us on the Mindful Motivation Station. We hope you found this video insightful and inspiring. If you're looking to cultivate a positive mindset, enhance your motivation, and embark on a journey of personal growth, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Remember, every step you take towards mindfulness and motivation brings you closer to a more fulfilling and empowered life. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, and until next time, stay mindful and stay motivated.